guys, today we are going to make banana cake, and now we have the recipe all to make the banana cake. First, we're going to smash the bananas. 2 bananas. And now we finished the banana. Now we're going to put the banana on the side. And now time for the egg. Now is for sugar. Give me another sugar. Now we put in sugar here. Now we will put the milk. I put already 1 cup of milk. Now Mama, we're going to put 1 more cup of milk. Mama, what's that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla now. So it can be smell good.
Butter.
Butter. Squeeze some butter.
Then
In the end, we're going to put egg. In the, I mean, not the egg. I mean
flour.
banana.
Mix flour.
Flour. Oh my
Mix properly.
god. Oh. Flour in the mix. Oh yeah. And now we're going to put 1 other powder, and is this here?
Yeah, forgot to put.
Yeah, we forgot to put like why he's over there just hiding like
Cinnamon.
cinnamon. Oh, what's that kind of cinnamon? Oh my god, he smells so good. Yeah.
And grapes, dry grapes.
Now I have to move. Now it's ready, and now we're going to put the banana. Now I just like making that he's a cake. So let's put the banana. Yay, you go inside. There's a
That's it.
Okay, now we need to mix. Yo, banana. Now we need to put raspberry or something.
Cranberry.
Yeah, cranberry.
Dry cranberry.
Yes. Yo.
But we don't need to put nuts.
Hey, I want-
Cranberry and dry grapes.
I want nuts.
Mix.
Now mix. Now we're going to put this here.
And put. That's it. That's it. And after this,
Now we're going to put in the stove, and we will see you and me later.
how many minutes? 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30. You will see you and me. We will see later again, and you will see how to be tasty. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below to see and watch only me how to make banana cake. Bye.